I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mushroom pepper soup. First, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. This includes 1 pound of your favorite mushrooms, 2 bell peppers, 1 red and 1 green, and 4 cups of quality vegetable broth. Don't forget your key spices like black pepper, a pinch of cayenne, and a touch of thyme to build that foundational flavor. Having everything measured out makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's start building those delicious layers of flavor. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over a steady medium heat. Once shimmering, add your diced onions and minced garlic, cooking them gently until they become wonderfully fragrant, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Next, introduce your sliced mushrooms, letting them cook down until they've released their natural moisture and started to brown slightly, concentrating their earthy taste. With your mushrooms nicely browned, it's time to add the vibrant bell peppers. Stir them into the pot and cook for about 5 minutes until they begin to soften, adding a sweet crunch. Then, carefully pour in the 4 cups of vegetable broth, bringing the entire mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for a good 20 minutes. This crucial step allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Finally, your mushroom pepper soup is ready to be enjoyed. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasonings with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your preference. A sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro adds a lovely burst of color and aroma. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and serve immediately, perhaps with some crusty bread. It's a comforting and flavorful meal perfect for any occasion. For more great deals, including the smart speaker mentioned, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.